Good morning, children. Yes, today I am going to teach that factors, children. Factors. What are the factors of the numbers? Multiples you already know, isn't it? Multiples. Well, that is the multiple of 3. That is the multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 likewise, isn't it? And multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 likewise. And multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 10. Multiples of 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40 likewise. And next we want to study about that factors. What are the factors? Be multiple, I will be the factor. So look here, factor. Then also listen here, this one the number 18. 18, the number is 18. 18 means I have, if an example, I got 18 sweets. I got 18 sweets. That 18 sweets I can give in many ways. I decided to give that 18 sweets to children. I got 18 sweets and I decided to give that 18 sweets to my dear children. And that 18 sweets, how many ways I can give that? How many ways I can give that sweets? Look here. First I decided to give these 18 sweets to 18 children. First I decided to give these 18 sweets to 18 children. If I want to give that 18 sweets to 18 children means I have to give one sweets to each child. One sweets to each child. Then I can give 18 sweets to 18 children, isn't it? If I want to give one sweets to each child, then I can give 18 children. I can give that sweets to 18 children. One is, look here, 1, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 children. Here 18 children, I gave one sweets to each child. Then 1 into 18, that means 1 into 18. 1 into 18. 1 into 18, 18. I gave 1 sweets to each child. 1 sweets to each child, then I give 18 children. So 1 and 18. These 1 and 18 are the factors of this 18. 1 and 18 are the factors. And next I am again thinking and I thought, yes, these 18 sweets I can give 2 sweets to each child. 2 sweets to each child, not 1 sweet. 2 sweets I can give to each child. If I give 2 sweets to each child, yes, give here 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 sweets here. Then how many children got these sweets, 18 sweets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children got. How many children got? 9 children got 2 each. 2 each. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. So this 9 and 2 are the factors of 18. 9 and 2 are the factors of 18. And another way I thought about, I have to give 3 sweets to each child. 3 sweets to each child. If I give 3 sweets to each child, how many children get it? How many children get it? Yes, 3 each. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then how many 3s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children got this 18 sweets. If I give 3 sweets to each child, 18 children means that 18 sweets means 6 children will get it 3 sweets each. Okay. Then 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. So these 6 and 3 are also factors of 18. And again I decide another way. I gave 6 sweets to each child. 6 sweets to each child. Then how many children will get it that sweets? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how many of you got 1, 2, 3 children? That means 3 into 6. 3 into 6 and 6 into 3. That is factors same. 3 and 6. Then what are the factors you can see here? What are the way different ways to give these sweets? Because 1 each or 2 each or 3 each or 6 each. Then so we will get it 1 18s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So this 1 18 9 2 6 3 3 6, they are the factors of 18. Did you understand? Did you understand that example? Okay. Then we can take it, which are the factors of which are the factors of 18. Which are the factors of 18? That is 1 and 18, that is already the factors of that number. And every number have two factors. Every number have two factors, that is 1 and that number itself. 1 and that number itself, that you already learned detail, you have studied in higher classes. Okay, that is prime numbers. 1 and 18. 1 and 18 already the factors of that number. Number 1 and the number itself. Okay. So 1 and 9 2s are 18. So we can take it 2, 1, 2. And 3 is not, 6 3s are 18. So that 3 also 3. 4 is not going. 6, 9, 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18 and 18. Okay, these are the factors of 18. And if we take 4, take 4. What are the factors of 4? 1 is the factor, 1 and 4 is the factor, isn't it? 1 and 4 is the factor, and 2 2s are 4. So there's 2 also the factor, and 3 is not going. 3 is not going in 4, isn't it? And if we take 5, 5 means only 1 and 5 are the factors. No other numbers is going in 5. If we take 6, 6 means 1 6 are 6 and 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 means that 2 and 3 are the factors. That 2 and 3 are the factors. So 1, 2, 3, 6. That is the factors. If we take 8, 8 means 1 is already going. And 2 4s are 8. So 2 and 4 are the factors. And any others not? Yes, 8 is the factors. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors. If we take 24. If we take 24, yes, 24. 1 and that number itself, isn't it? 1 and that number itself means 1 and 24. 1, 24 we can write it here. Any other factors? 2, 2 12s are 24. So 2 also going. And 3, 8 3s are 24. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. So 3 is also going. And 4, first we can take 1. 1 24s are 24. And if we take 2, 2 is going because this 24 is even number. So our 2s are going. 2s are going in even numbers, isn't it? So 12 2s are 24. So 2 is also going. And 3 8s are for 24. Then 3 is going. And 4 is also going. 4 6 4s are 24. So 4 is going. And 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. So which are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And if we take 30, what is the factors of 30? 1, then that is an even number, so 2 is going. 2, 3, 10 3s are 30, so 3 and 10. And 5, 6 5s are 30, so 5, 10 we can write it after that. 5, 6, 10 and 30. Okay, these are the factors of the number. So to write the factors you have to study the multiplication table well, children. Everyone want to study that. Okay, Today onwards, everyone how to, you know the multiplication table well, but you have to practice it today itself. Every day you have to practice the multiplication table. Okay. Okay, bye children.